Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Gmod video. Here's what you'll need. A good computer with Gmod and a good editing software on it. Second, a Gmodder. And that Gmodder is you. Then, start Gmodding. And all you need to do, launching Gary's mod. And make sure you have a clear idea in mind, or else this can happen. So now when you have an idea, or even a scenario, and mostly a software to record your takes, you can now start your scene and animating. Once you've finished animating, you can now use your editing software to make the scenes and animate. And some advice, make sure to save regularly, or else you might lose your work when it crashes. And now you can upload it to YouTube. And if you don't mind, you can check the comments. Good idea. Oh, no. Have fun!